Hi everybody, this is Colin from Track Attack. Just coming on real quick to say a couple of quick announcements for you guys. First off, I have to say thank you so much for helping us achieve our goal of 1,000 subscribers. We've achieved that goal so quickly in the short time the channel's been alive, and we certainly couldn't have done it without your help and support, so thank you so much. Secondly, we're hard at work here editing episode 3, as you guys can see, so that will be out very soon. Got a really exciting episode between the C8 Corvette and the Lamborghini 580-2, so that's going to be very exciting. Look forward to that. And lastly, we also heard your comments about how we should have a second host for the show. We heard you, and we're in the works now to start up a new reality show. So the really exciting part about that is that we will be casting a co-host for season 2 of Track Attack. Yes, that's right. We're going to have another host who's going to get to come on the show with me, drive the cars, give their opinions, and have a heck of a lot of fun doing so. So we will be announcing details for that very soon. So as always, make sure you subscribe, keep up to date with all our announcements, and we'll see you soon.